Welcome to Xunjie Channel. Today, we're about to embark on an epic journey through the evolution of 3D printing technology. 3D printing technology has an incredible origin story. It all began with some brilliant, forward-thinking minds who dared to dream of a way to transform digital models into tangible, three-dimensional objects. The early 3D printers were far from what we have today. They were basic, slow, and limited in the materials they could use. But these humble beginnings were the spark that ignited a technological revolution. Over the years, 3D printing technology has witnessed some truly remarkable advancements. Printers have undergone a remarkable transformation, becoming smaller, yet far more powerful. The speed of printing has skyrocketed, with modern printers able to create complex objects in a fraction of the time it took their predecessors. Precision has reached a whole new level, allowing for the creation of objects with incredibly fine details. And let's not forget about the materials. A vast array of new materials has been developed, opening up a world of possibilities for different industries. Thanks for watching.